In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the SearchUI.exe missing, suspended, not running, or crashing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Click on the Start button and then go to Settings. Click on Privacy and Security on the left pane. Click on Searching Windows. Scroll down and click on the Indexer Troubleshooter to run the search and indexing troubleshooter. This will detect further problems, so simply select all the problems that apply to you. So just simply click on the check box right here and then simply click on Next. That will give you instructions, so follow the on-screen instructions that will give you suggestions and recommendations in fixing the issue. Okay? The next thing that we can do is to run the DISM command. To go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator on the right pane. I'm going to paste the command in the description box. So Control C to copy and then Control V to paste and hit Enter. So the scan will begin or the process will begin. So simply wait for the process to be 100% completed. And then once it is completed, you just need to simply close the window. If you're getting stuck at a certain percentage, just patiently wait for that. And once done, close the window and then restart your Windows. The next thing that we can do is to restart the Windows Search service. So go to the Windows Search bar and type Services. Click on Services under the Best Match. Scroll down to the Windows Search service. Here it is. Right click and then go to Properties. Startup type, make sure that is automatic. Service status. If it is already running, then click on Stop. Click on Start to restart the service. And then Apply and then OK. And then close the Services window. And we can also perform a clean boot. So go to the Windows search bar and type System Configuration. Click on it under the Best Match. Then once the system configuration window is up, go to the Services tab. Then you have to check the option Hide All Microsoft Services. If some of the services are still enabled, then you have to click on Disable All, click on Apply, click on OK, and click on the Restart button that will appear from here. So that's it. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.